Good morning, everybody, and welcome to your Monday morning message for the week of February 24th to March 2nd. Now, as we're looking in APUSH this week, the first thing that we want to talk about is this new link that you might be seeing at the top of your page, and that's your incomplete request application. Now, that is there for students that are struggling a little bit to keep up with the course calendar, not quite where they need to be, and it gives you that 2-week extension, but that has to be filled out by Tuesday, February 25th. So that's this Tuesday by 3:30. No exceptions on that. That's a pretty hard date. So make sure that if that is something that you feel that you need, that you're filling in that incomplete request application. Now, that would give people work because spring break is in here. That would give people time until March 31st at 3:30 to complete assignments. So let's hope that nobody has to take advantage of that, but it's there for those people that do need it. So you'll click into there, fill that out real quick. It'll ask you some general information. Make sure you're filling out one per class that you need it, if you need it for more than one, and then that data goes to us. And then if you fill it out for me, like I'll reach out by Tuesday, probably Tuesday, and just be like, hey, I've accepted your application, or we have not accepted your application. Most that fill that out, we will accept, or I will accept. I can't speak for anybody else, but we'll accept those. So if that's something you need, take a look. And then if you have questions on that, definitely reach out, let me know, and we'll take care of those for you. Now, as far as work-wise this week, when we go into our current folder, you're going to see in our calendar that we don't have a lot of work this week. We're at that tail end of the try. And so we're going Great Depression and New Deal to Mod 6 exam. So as I go into my current folder, you're going to go in, you're going to go all the way to the bottom. You're going to see the Great Depression and the New Deal to the Mod 6 exam. Remember, exams are set up for only one attempt, so make sure that you're prepared. And because we have less assignments this week, you have a little extra time to make sure you're prepared for that. Now, the following week, you noticed on that calendar, we had no new work for that week. So those people that are up with our calendar, you're in a great position. The grades, one of the things I'll do on Friday is I'll put all grades as missing. And that way, that gives you the exact grade that you are at this time. Schoology will be accurate. Whatever grade Schoology is telling you at that point is what I would be putting into your final grade in Infinite Campus at the end of the week. And so we're all on the same page on that, hopefully. Just remember, with no new assignments that following week, the temptation for some people that are falling behind is to just pound writing that week. You know, your DBQs, your LEQs, SAQs, stuff like that. That is usually not a great recipe for success. So one of the things that you've heard me say all trimester, and 2 trimesters if you've been in here both, is to stay up with that course calendar. That quality of writing gets really poor that last week because people are panicking. And you have to remember, panicked work is not great. Like I used to have a college professor that always says, panic on your part does not constitute panic on my part. And it always just resonated with me for the fact that, hey, I need to get my stuff done and I need to have it done in time. Because I'm panicking, I can't expect everybody else to panic. And so it kind of taught me a great life lesson that I probably needed at the time. But that life lesson was make sure you're prepared. When things are supposed to be done, have them done. And so that's the expectation. Now, we talked about the incomplete request and things like that. There's things that happen. And so don't feel bad if that's something that you're doing. Definitely don't. But let me know if there's help that's needed anywhere out there too. That should be it for us this week. We're going Great Depression and the New Deal down to that Mod 6 exam. Let's have a great week. Reach out with questions that you have, and let's finish strong. Have a good one.